Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 8, and chapter 8 is conditionals. So let's learn children what is a conditional. A conditional sentence is one where one clause states a condition and the other shows the result. तो बच्चों ये वो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं जहां पर एक पार्ट, एक क्लॉज जो होता है सेंटेंस का, वो एक कंडीशन बताता है और दूसरा पार्ट उसका रिजल्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू प्रेस दिस बटन, ये कंडीशन है और रिजल्ट क्या है? द फैन विल स्टार्ट. ओके, सो ये होते हैं कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस. हियर इफ क्लॉज, इफ यू प्रेस दिस बटन, कंडीशन है, मेन क्लॉज है द फैन विल स्टार्ट, ये है रिजल्ट. कंडीशनल फॉर जनरल ट्रूथ एंड साइंटिफिक फैक्ट्स. दीज कंडीशनल एक्सप्रेस फैक्ट्स दैट आर ऑलवेज ट्रू. पैटर्न है इफ प्लस प्रेजेंट सिंपल या फिर सिंपल फ्यूचर. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, इफ यू ईट टू मच शुगर यू विल गेट कैविटीज. ये क्या है? जनरल ट्रूथ है. ओके, इफ यू ड्रॉप आयरन इन वाटर इट विल सिंक, ये साइंटिफिक फैक्ट है. इफ यू ड्रॉप आयरन इन वाटर इट विल सिंक, ये क्या है बच्चों? ये है साइंटिफिक फैक्ट. इफ द सन सेट्स डार्कनेस विल स्प्रेड, दिस इज जनरल ट्रूथ. इफ यू मिक्स रेड एंड ब्लू you will get purple, ये है scientific facts. Now conditional denoting probability, इससे हम probability को भी दिखाते हैं. These conditional show likely outcomes, कि ऐसा हो सकता है, और possibilities in the present या फिर future में. Pattern रहेगा if plus present simple और उसके बाद will, may, might, can, should आप लगाएंगे. The main clause can also be a command, request, advice, etc. So main clause ये सब हो सकते हैं, command भी, advice भी और फिर request भी. Examples देखेंगे, if she studies hard, she will pass the exam. This is possibility. If you know coding, you can build a website. यहां पर शो हो रही है ability. If it rains tomorrow, we may cancel the match. This is possibility. If you follow the doctor's advice, you should get better soon. Advice है ये. If the bell rings, you must leave the building at once. This is command. If it does not rain, we may go to market. This is possibility again. If I have enough savings, I will buy a car. So ये होगी ability. नोट है यहां पर एक, the if clause can also use present continuous और present perfect. So if clause के साथ हम इन दोनों को भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि if you are waiting for the bus, I will wait with you. This is present continuous. If you have finished your homework, we can go out. ये हमने यहां पर क्लॉज बनाया है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट के साथ. नाउ कंडीशनल्स जो हैं वो डिनोट करते हैं इम्प्रॉबेबिलिटी को, अनरियल, हाइपोथेटिकल. जैसे कि पैटर्न रहेगा इसका इफ प्लस पास्ट सिंपल और आगे वुड, माइट, कुड. एग्जाम्पल्स, इफ आई हैड विंग्स आई वुड फ्लाई टू द माउंटेन्स. सो ये क्या है? ये अनरियल है, इम्पॉसिबल सिचुएशन है. If she were taller, she could join the basketball team. This is unreal condition. If it were not raining, we might go to the park. Improbability. If I were the prime minister, I would improve education first. तो ये क्या है? Hypothetical wish है. In the above sentences, the condition is unlikely or unreal in the present. Alternative form है if I were to plus infinitive. Examples, if I were to buy a phone, I would choose an iPhone. If I were the chairman, I would employ you immediately. Might or could can be used in the main clause instead of would. If I had a car, I might or could go on a long drive. If it were not so hot today, we could have gone for a picnic. Okay? आगे conditionals use होते हैं impossibility को denote करने में. These refers to past action that did not happen, so the result is impossible now. Pattern रहेगा if plus past perfect और उसके आगे would, could, might plus have plus past participle. जैसे कि if you had reminded me, I would have attended the meeting. तुमने याद नहीं कराया इसलिए मैंने मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं की. So the result is impossible now. If they had left earlier, they could have caught the train. If she had worked harder, she might have won the prize. If I had seen him yesterday, I would have spoken to him. If you had invited me, I would have come. Next we have alternative form had plus object key. Had you studied well, you would have cleared the exam. Had we started on time, we could have reached earlier. Conditional sentences summary. Study this table carefully to understand the structures or patterns in conditional sentences. So यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक टेबल है बच्चों. टाइप है जनरल ट्रूथ, फैक्ट्स, प्रोबेबिलिटी, इम्प्रोबेबिलिटी, इम्पॉसिबिलिटी. आपने इस टेबल को खुद से पढ़ना है और इसे समझना है. सो आप कंडीशनल्स को और अच्छे तरीके से समझ पाएंगे. नाउ वी हैव ओमिशन ऑफ इफ इन डिनोटिंग कंडीशन. अब अगर हमें इफ को हटाना हो, नॉर्मली वी यूज इफ टू शो अ कंडीशन. एग्जाम्पल, if it rains we will stay home. But in English we can replace if with other words or phrases that also show conditions. Okay, these make our sentences sound more natural or formal. Using provided, providing that. Okay, meaning only if, on the condition that. Example, you can borrow my notes provided you return them tomorrow. So यहाँ पर एक कंडीशन है, आप बोरो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कंडीशन तभी only if you can return them tomorrow. Only if हमने हटा दिया और उसकी जगह हमने लगाया provided. She will pass the exam providing she works hard. Using unless, इसका मीनिंग है if not. You won't improve unless you practice daily. The shop will remain closed unless the owner arrives early. Using as long as या फिर so long as, इसका मतलब होता है या तो only if, provided that. I will support you as long as you are honest. आप इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, I will support you provided you are honest. Okay? We can go on a picnic so long as the weather stays fine. Using in case, इसका मतलब है if it happens that, अगर ऐसा होता है तो. एग्जाम्पल, कैरी एन एम्ब्रेला in case it rains, अगर बारिश होती है तो. टेक सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी in case the taxi fare is high. Using on condition that, इसका मतलब है if and if only. एग्जाम्पल है, the teacher allowed him to play football on condition that he finished his homework first. They agreed to lend us money on condition that we returned it within a week. So children, now let's practice. Match the clauses in column A with those in column B. Column A, first sentence, if you save money wisely, so you can buy a new laptop. If the sun shines tomorrow, the picnic will be enjoyable. If he apologizes, she will forgive him. If they study sincerely, they will score good marks. If you leave home late, you will miss the train. If we care for the environment, we will plant more trees. If the teacher explains clearly, the students will understand better. If my cousin arrives early, she will join us for dinner. If the children behave well, we will celebrate in the park. If you eat too much junk food, you may fall ill. Next exercise, we have fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. If the rain stops, we will play cricket in the park. Had I known about the meeting, I would have attended in on time. If she works hard, she will achieve success. If the train arrives late, we will miss the ceremony. Had we had a map, we would have found the place easily. Rest sentences you will do yourself. Exercise C देखेंगे. Using conditional structure, write a short paragraph on what you would do if you were the Prime Minister of your country. Use the clues given below. So यहाँ पर मैंने आपके लिए थोड़ा सा किया हुआ है बच्चों. आपने इसे इसी तरह से complete करना है with the help of your clues. Okay? And we come on the next exercise. Frame conditional sentences with the following. Frame conditional sentences with the following clues. One has been done for you as an example. Forget homework, get scolded by teacher. So if you forget your homework, you will get scolded by the teacher. इसी तरह से आपने इन clues के साथ sentences को frame करना है. Okay? See the first sentence. Waste time, fail in the exam. If you waste time, you will fail in the exam. If you drink clean water, you will stay healthy. If you plant more trees, you will get fresh air. If you disobey your parents, you will make them unhappy. Okay? इसी तरह से आप बाकी sentences को भी join करेंगे. We come on the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using provided, in case or unless in place of if. Okay? So, let's do it. See the first sentence. If you work sincerely, you will succeed in life. Provided you work sincerely, you will succeed in life. The plants will wither if you don't water them regularly. So, इसे हम लिखेंगे the plants will wither unless you water them regularly. I will join the trip if my parents give me permission. I will join the trip provided my parents give me permission. If you study hard, you will pass the examination. Provided you study hard, you will pass the examination. You will not get good marks if you are careless in your writing. You will not get good marks unless you are careful in your writing. If we reach the station on time, we will catch the train. Provided we reach the station on time, we will catch the train. Okay? These two sentences, children, read yourself. And with this chapter ends here. I hope, children, that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.